Big up everybody who check in. Now remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now we are all Jamaicans. Regardless of which party you support, we're all Jamaicans. But me ask you know to use the like button and the comment section as the voting booth. Drop a like on the video and comment which party you have voted for. Simply put PMP or simply put JLP, depending on which party you have voted for. Now, I'm going to hear what I want and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Oh, after 9 years of Labour Party rule, the people of Jamaica are fed up. They are disgusted with the government. They are disgusted with leadership which can prove itself to be worthy of our trust and confidence. We have a Prime Minister whose own personal finances and the declarations he has filed cannot be certified by the country's Integrity Commission. It's a shame and disgrace on Jamaica to have a leader in government in that situation. He's even taking the Integrity Commission to court to strike down the very law that was passed under his government, even though it's we designed it and we brought it to Parliament originally. But it was passed by him and his government. The commissioners were put in place under...
It seems like some people already make up their mind. It seems like no political tactic, no political maneuver, no political gimmicks, no political promises can convince the people. Right now the people seem like them already have their mind make up. Who plan for vote for the government already plan for vote for the government. Them plan for vote for the Labour Party. Who plan for vote for the opposition already plan for vote for the People's National Party. As I said, the comment section open. On voting day, obviously, it will be the votes. It won't be the hearsay. It will be the votes. That's how I do the survey now. We're going to look through the comment section and we're going to see what is the mindset of the people. What the people more believe. What they believe say. What their mindset they. Who them plan for vote for. Simple as that. We're going to see in the comment section if we have more people that comment JLP or we have more people that comment PMP. Now, I make also hear a phone call that was made by the firefighter in Tree today that was on the transport center roof. I make hear what going to continue reasoning. Look and listen.
What do you have to say? What do you want to say? Huh? Hello? Shadeen?
Okay.
Shadeen?
It's crying.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
They're really unsure about us.
So what's happening with you?
There's other things going on, you know. However, I'm sorry that I get off track with the way I spoke just a while ago.
Alright, that's understandable. That's okay.
The sergeant who was here before who understand what I am doing now, he came and I kind of get off track with the way I was expressing myself.
Yes.
The thing is, I want to talk to you because I don't want to talk to you in a manner like this. I am a big man and I believe you're supposed to be treated with respect. So I prefer to be in in the studio that can share what's on my chest.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes, but you'll have to come down from the top of the center.
No, I said to them that once I get in contact with the media, I will get down.
Alright.
What I want to say is thank you for reaching out to the audience. Am I live?
No, we are recording you. We're gonna play it.
Okay. To Jamaica, I just want to say sorry what I have to do, what I have to do.
All right. So, what do you want Jamaica to know?
Well, I want to talk to Jamaica direct
Yes.
over the airways, but I won't share what I have to say because I'm not live.
All right. So, I'm going to be going on air at 5:30. That's in 7 minutes.
Okay.
Right? Are you prepared to wait until the 7 minutes and then we talk live on air about it?
I'm coming directly to you. I said that I'm about to come directly to you.
Okay, so you want to come down now and then make your
I'm
way.
coming down now and I'm coming to you. I just want to get your confirmation, sir.
Yes. I'm at 6 Bradley Avenue, nationwide. Bradley Avenue between Cargill and Balmoral Avenue. It's less than, well, traffic is going on now, so it will take you about 10-15 minutes to get here. Yeah? And you come straight here and I'll have you go on air and speak with us. Alright? Huh? Shadeen? So Shadeen, you are not going to do anything to hurt yourself now. Okay?
Yeah, my word.
Good.
I won't tell you any lie.
Okay. Alright,
They can get answered.
okay, make your way to Bradley Avenue then. Okay, good. Alright.
Tell me you think. No, me also me gonna hear from the family of a man whose life was taken on a law enforcement operation. And they must say they want justice. They must say they want the relative authorities. Say, listen to what they must say. And look into what take place. Of course, I'm not gonna hear what the family have to say. And then we're gonna continue reasonation. Of course, I'm wanting to look. I'm wanting to listen.
Jamaica need to clean up, but the police them need to do better job and stop kill people, pitney and put gun pan them. That not right. You corrupt, you mess up the man name. And the name more 100 name for clear, just the name in dead already and can't come back. And even if we don't get no justice, I just want Jamaica people to know that I just the gun part more and come off from never name.
The police came into his house in the early morning. Him hear the grill. Him go out there and said to him said to who that the police say them say a police. Him open the door. They never had to kick it in. They never had to force entry. He opened the door. He let them in the house. They said that they need to do a search. He turned on the light. Let them inside. Him say alright. Them said I'm going to the kitchen first. Them have him get up for going there. Them I say, no, don't go, make the girl go. Him say the girl naked, make she put something around her. She get up for going there. Before she could have even go in the kitchen, them shoot him. She turn around same time, him hold lamp on him side. Them shoot him for kill him. Them have him there bleed out. From where the shot, from the time them drug him body, that was more than half an hour. They had him there bleeding out. She crying, asking him to carry him go hospital, rush him go hospital. They left him there. Them say a clappers that laugh at him when they shot him. They left him for dead. Forensic has not seen his body on the crime scene. His body was dragged away by them. Indicom has not seen his body on the crime scene. They tampered with them own crime scene. Them go on news and talk about him a criminal, he's no criminal. And she's a hard-working person.
Tell me what you think. The family asked for justice. And some people say based on how calm and collective the family was asking for justice. They must say him life gone already. Them can't bring him back. But they must say no, the narrative after him pass make it sound like he was a criminal. And they must say he wasn't a criminal. They must say he was a hard-working person. Law-abiding citizen. Talk to me in the comment section. When you hear in the come forward and something it, I guess that's one of the things them with the people them, or the family, along with other residents and other people. I say, oh, come in, they come, you know? Talk to them and look into what go on. I guess them probably do them investigations. So, I guess the family will hear what them really say. Them believe take place, or when them hear to take place based on statements from the members of law enforcement who were there. Them have to check them firearms and, you know? Definitely a tragedy though. In fact, say, him dead with the woman. And, you know, did something right when she did it. People are say, these type of stories make the hard work members of law enforcement do. People still see them a certain type of way. When law enforcement should be there to serve and protect the citizens of whichever country they are law enforcement for. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how we, can continue reasoning by being notified when all fresh content is uploaded. As I said, the comment section is open 24/7, you never lock it. Yeah man, the comment section open 24/7, it never lock it yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.